Yes, good morning everybody. Today we want to talk about calculations on the mirrors, that is concave mirror àti convex mirror. Now, ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ calculation, àwọn example kan wà tá ti kọ sí báyìí. Ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní calculation rárá, a ní láti get ara wa familiarize with àwọn nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ pé ó máa help wa in the course of the calculation. Now, the last class mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa oríṣiríṣi àwọn fọ́múlà àwọn bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n sáré ṣe revision lórí ẹ̀. This one is the pole, this one is the focus, and this one is the curvature. Now, the distance from the pole to focus is known as focal length. Shey you get me báyẹn? Now, the distance from this pole again to this radius of to this curvature is known as radius of curvature. So, and it is always believed that that distance is like this R and this F. So F now is equal to R/2. That is, wọ́n máa yọ focal length méjì, wọ́n máa yọ kúrò ní radius of curvature. Now, báwo la ṣe máa ṣe àwọn iṣẹ́ wọ̀nyí? Then another thing tí mo fẹ́ ká mọ̀ ni pé there is another one tó ń pè ní V. That one is known as the image distance. That is the distance from the mirror, of the image from the mirror. Now, another one tún ní U. U is known as object distance. Then another one tí mo fẹ́ ká mọ̀ ní HI. That one is image height. Another one tí mo tún fẹ́ ká mọ̀ ní HO. That's what? Object height. So then another so gbogbo àwọn terms tá a fẹ́ lò ní gbogbo àwọn calculation wọ̀nyẹn. Now, àwọn kankan wà tó tún yẹ ká tún mọ̀ tí mo ti kọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, but that one is M is equal to V over U. That is magnification is also equals to HI over H naught. This M is known as magnification. That is, bí image yẹn ṣe tóbi sí. If the magnification is more than 1, that means the image is magnified. But if the image is less than 1, that means the image is diminished. Now, another one tí mo tún fẹ́ ká mọ̀ ni the mirror formula gangan, and that one is 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V. That's what they call mirror formula. Now, ẹ ká wo àwọn sign, ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ calculation, àwọn sign conventions kankan wà tá a gbọ́dọ̀ master náà tá a bá fẹ́ ṣe calculation. Now, ẹ ká wo lọ báyìí. Now, láwọn sign convention tá a gbọ́dọ̀ master ó ní pé for real image, V is positive, F is positive. Now, for virtual image, V is negative, F2 is for virtual image, V is negative. Now, for real image, V is positive. For virtual image, V is negative. So sorry. Now, if it is a convex mirror, for convex mirror, F is negative. For concave mirror, F is positive. Ṣé ti get ìwà báyẹn? So ìyẹn jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́. Now, let's quickly jump right into the calculation. Thank you. An object. Okay. Now, let's look at this. An object is placed in front of a concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 12 centimeters, R is 12 centimeter. Automatically F will be equals to what? R over 2, and that's 12 over 2, and that's what? 6 centimeter. Now calculate the position, nature, and magnification of the image. Now how do we go about this? The position, the nature, and the magnification of the image. It seems something is missing in that question. Oh, let me check the question very well. An object is placed in front of an object is placed 10 centimeter. Sorry, 10 centimeter. Something is missing there. So I know that something is missing. So this 10 centimeter, they say an object is placed 10 centimeter. That is, this is the distance of the object. The distance of the object is u. U is 10 centimeter. So we can easily calculate it now using that mirror formula that say 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. And that's what? 1 over 6. 1 over 6 equals to 1 over 10 plus 1 over v. Now I can say that 1 over v is equal to 1 over 6 plus minus 1 over 10. And that will be what? The SM of the denominator will be 30. So this one will be what? 5 minus 10. And that's 1 over v equals to what? 2 over 30. So that will be what? 1 over v equals to 1 over 15. 1 over v equals to 1 over 15. So therefore, v times 1v cross multiply, v will be equals to 15 centimeter. Since v is positive, the image is real because v is positive. The image is real because v is positive. Now the next one is we've known the position now. We've known the position. The position is 15. The nature, the image is real. Now they now say you should calculate the magnification. Magnification is m equals to v over u, and that's what? 15 over 10. That's 1.5. So the size of the image is 1.5, and it magnifies by 1.5. So the image is magnified because it is greater than 1. Now jẹ́ ká wò kejì. They say that an object is placed 15 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. This is the object distance u, 15 centimeter, and an image 5 centimeter behind the mirror. V is 5 centimeter behind the mirror. So what do we do? Calculate the focal length of the mirror. Now if it is the focal length, no problem. I can say that because it is a convex mirror, all the image that is being produced is always virtual. So I will take this v to be minus 5. Now I told you that virtual image we have a v equals to minus 5. So ẹ jẹ́ ká wo bá ṣe máa ṣe báyìí. Now this one will now be what? 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. Now let's go there. That will be what? 1 over f equals to 1 over 15 minus 1 over 5. So what do we do? 1 over f is equal to 15. 3. No, 1 minus 3. That's 1 over f equals to minus 2 over 15. You cross multiply, you are going to have f equals to minus 7.5 centimeter. Meaning that this image too, this focal length, you know I told you earlier that for for convex mirror, f is always negative. Now the last question is very clear. A concave mirror of radius of curvature r 20 centimeter, produces an inverted image 3 times, that means m. Why would this one be 20 over 2? That's 10. M is what? M is 3, because they say 3 times the size of the object. Calculate the position of the image. And since we know that m is 3, it is easy to say that m is equal to v over u is equal to 3. And that means v equals to what? 3u. So if I want to find this, I can say that from mirror formula, I can say 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. So since I know my u, 1 over 10 is equal to 1 over u plus, you know that they say that v is 3u, so 1 over 3u. So I can say 1 over 10 equals to 3u equals to 3 plus 1. And that will be what? Let me see. 3 plus 1. Then that will be 1 over 10 equals to 4 over 3u. So how do we go about this? So that will be 3u equals to 40. U now equals to what? 13.33 centimeter. So the position of the object is 13.33 because that's the object distance. Now let's check the position of the image. If it is the position of the image, since we are told that m is equal to v over u and m is 3, so we can say that v equals to 13.33. So v now equals to 3 times 13.33, and that's what? 39.99, approximately 40 centimeter. So that's how the image will be. That's where the image will be to be located at 40 centimeter. Mo lérò pé ti gbádùn video yìí. If you really love the video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and make comments. We really appreciate. We are looking forward to your comments. Thank you so much, and God bless you.